Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the audio not working in your Discord streams. So let us get started right away guys. So if you have been experiencing this issue lately guys, simply follow my instructions. So what you want to do is launch your Discord application on your PC, for instance, log into your account. And for this tutorial, you will need to join a voice channel. So let me join that voice channel here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, click on share screen here in the bottom left corner. This is going to open that window for you guys. So what you want to do is select the application you would like to use for your screen sharing session. So I will go with that one for demonstration purposes. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to launch your screen sharing sessions by clicking on go live here. So that's how you usually do it guys. However, if your audio is not working in your screen sharing session, you may do the following. Simply click on back here to return to the previous menu, close that window, access your account settings on Discord by clicking on the gear icon here in the bottom left corner, and after that take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to your app settings, to be more precise to the voice and video settings. And inside your voice and video settings, make sure that you scroll down a bit till you get to the audio settings here, and make sure that you disable or turn off that feature here called use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. So that should usually fix the issue guys. So simply close your settings by clicking on that X icon here in the top right corner and repeat the previous steps to launch your stream and see if your audio is working now. So that's basically it guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.